like Bernie Sanders was not going anywhere.
Now Sanders and Clinton going on the witness in Iowa. She was in the Midwest late Tuesday, rallying voters in another Muslim state.
I want companies to know if they walk out on America, they're going to pay a price. And if they ship jobs overseas, we're going to make them give back the tax raise.
And up next, it is the delegate-rich state of Florida. Anytime getting there, the Democrats have a debate on Monday. Republicans call it after on Thursday night. Back to you.
Now, it's not only the presidential candidates who are dividing voters in Florida. Casino gaming is a controversial issue with people racing to take sides. And today, we've got a better picture exactly where people stand on that issue. According to our Bay News 9 exclusive statewide poll, most people want to legalize casino gambling. Bay News 9's down in Angelfield explains.
If you want to take your chances gaming at a casino in Florida, your options are limited. The only places you'll find are on Indian reservations. It's not legal anywhere else in the state. But these days, Floridians are bidding for more places